Hey everybody, yes, we are back again. We just got finished doing our trip around the covered bridges of Blunt County. So this was right around the corner. This beautiful, gorgeous waterfall you see right here. This is Mardis Mill. It's a beautiful place to come. I know he enjoys it. This actual waterfall, it is still part of the Black Warrior River system. Now, we love to hike around this place, and we want to show you exactly the reason why. It is just an amazing place to come, get away out in nature, and just have some fun being outdoors. Let's get out here and have some fun.
Yeah, check that out. Now, we have not been over there to see if it actually does go in any at all, because you have to cross the water, and frankly, it's a little cold out today.
Get out of the rain.
Yeah. But maybe when it's not so cold, we'll go over there and check it out, but not today. But the picture here was just showing where it was going back up toward the waterfall there. Some years ago, I was out here and we were hiking down this river right there next to the waterfall, and I kind of slid, went down right into the water and ended up down here in this nice little swimming hole that you see. Yeah, I probably went for a good 100 yards in the water before I was finally able to get out, but that's how I discovered this place.
Yeah, that's one way to do it.
Yep. Well guys, as you can see, this is just a beautiful area that we love to come to. There's nothing historical about it. There's no big story about it. There's not really much to tell you about this place other than we just love to come here. It's just a beautiful spot to come and hang out, hike around. You can go fishing if you want. You can go swimming when it's a little warmer at least. It's just a place to come out and recharge your batteries, get away from the world and come out and have some fun. And that's why we love this place. Check that out. Tell me that is not sick.
Also wood impression.
Yep, all you gotta do is find the fossil wood.
Yeah, it came out right up there. Somewhere. What layer? What level? I don't really see nothing right now. Have to dig it to find it.
Yeah, sadly we don't have a shovel with us today.
Yeah. I'm planning on digging today.
Well, we just decided to come out here and, you know, just have a day out. Figured we'll show you what we like to do in our free time.
Give me any beat.
This is exactly the reason why we don't go to just normal trails or nature parks or any kind of state or county parks. Just look at what you can find out your own back door here. This is something that's not on a map or anything. This is just all natural beauty created by God. You've got to love it. That looks fun. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that thing.
Another souvenir.
Yeah. Frederick's got a buddy. Now you can play the bongos with your maracas.